7 Hell of Beppu. ChinoikeJigoku Blood Pond. Tatsumaki Jigoku Tornado. Umi Jigoku Sea Hell. Oniishi Bozu Jigoku Shaven Monk's Head. Kamado Jigoku Cookie. Eng Pot. Oniyama Jigoku Ghost Mountain. Shiraike Jigoku White Lake. ChinoikeJigoku. The name is derived from its resemblance to blood. The color itself is produced by iron oxide or rust present in the hot spring water. The water temperature at the hot spring is 78 degrees. It is advisable to purchase a group ticket for all 7 hot springs together at the counter. Tatsumaki Jigoku. This is a geyser that erupts every 30 to 40 minutes. It can reach a height of 50 meters. Ask the counter for the next geyser timing. Umi Jigoku. The hot spring water is blue. The color comes from iron sulfate and magnesium sulfate. The hot spring is 98 degrees. There are vents with steam coming around the ponds. There is a botanic garden with giant lily. The hot temperature makes it possible to grow them here. Oniishi Bozu Jigoku. You will be able to see hot mud bubbling out from the ground. It will form beautiful rings pattern. Kamado Jigoku. The bubbling water looks similar to cooking in a pot. The red color comes from iron oxide. Oniyama Jigoku. This hot spring have many crocodiles. Check out the feeding time for the crocodiles here. ChinoikeJigoku. The hot spring pond should be white in color the time we visit. It is green in color. There is a garden and aquarium around the pond. Water is heated by the hot spring to keep tropical fishes in the aquarium. Prepare the following for the 7 Hells trip. Bring a towel for foot bath. Point 2 of the hot spring is at a different place. And need to drive or take bus. Check the geyser timing at counter. And decide whether to go the blood hell first. Another place to visit is Myoban Jigoku, which is not inside the 7 list.